We're starting our little trip today with some lunch. We got some jumbo hot dogs and some asparagus spears. And then we're going to eat this lunch and then we're going to head on out.
Yeah, I'll go up.
And there's Grace. The first thing she wants to do is jump in the creek.
My phone.
See the baby crab?
I need
See him? See the baby crab right there? Baby crab.
I'm a baby crab.
Yeah, that's a baby crab. He should be soft. Did you get him?
You get him. You get him.
Hold your hand up.
It bites.
They don't bite. You're gonna go over there.
I need to cut them. I pick up slippery.
Yeah, that's slippery.
Not cut my dog.
Okay, go in this rock and then go in this rock.
Yeah, I know. Go like that. Oh, Daddy, I saw Mama. I saw a big curry crab over there in that water.
Yeah.
Oh, come big mother.
There's fish in there. Minnows. Let's take a look and see.
I hurry Timmy on that swimming pool. Oh, and then the top one got up, and then the top one did 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 up, and then you made it.
Or you just walk in the water because you got water shoes on.
Oh yeah. I have to walk on these rocks.
Okay, you have to go slow and go on these rocks.
Yes. I want to up.
And you stay in the water.
I step, Daddy. I have to hang on the rock. I mean, find water and it go all we deep.
Yeah.
I am not to go. Mom, we need to find a way over there.
Oh, there's a butterfly.
Hold
Hold still. That's not a butterfly.
Go out like a bubble pie. Somebody hook.
It's one of the dragonfly species.
Got what?
Yeah, oh yeah, there's lots of poison ivy. Go ahead.
I got all the poison ivy. The apple cake. The apple cake. I might be a chicken in the hole.
Yeah, there's a little cave here.
Aren't you going in that cave?
No, we're not going in the cave. It's dark in there.
You see the top right, Daddy.
Okay.
You see the top right.
I don't have a flashlight. That's
I go that way, Daddy. Say. I go that way. I go that way. This way,
You gotta stay over here on the trail.
This the way I go. Ooh. Hold tough, Daddy. Tough. Boop, 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 boop. Oh, Daddy. Hold a cave back there.
Yeah.
A mama cave. I got to go in that cave.
No, we're not going anywhere. There might be snakes.
I might be sitting in that hole. I might not be sitting in that hole.
Yep. Snakes like rocks.
Oh, a hole, a cave, Daddy.
Yeah, there's another little cave.
Daddy. Oh, I'm a hot. Oh, I got that cave.
Yeah.
I have to go in that cave. I'm not going in that cave right now. I'm going. You're seeing in that cave, Daddy. You're not seeing in this. Daddy, it might be some wall. Because I have water to the because I can water in the cave. That way it's cold and I don't got water to the It's my daddy. Wow. A bit, Daddy. A bit. A bit, Daddy.
Yeah.
Who got that thing? Who got that photo key? Are you, I okay. I know that now. I know get big. Always talk. Daddy.
What?
I have to get back in my car, get my cat. I have to get back in my car. Hurry up, get back in my car, drive home, because it's storming today.
Storming today?
Yeah, that one.
Yeah.
I didn't do.
I just heard some thunder, so there's something coming.
A big curry too, maybe two, no.
Maybe a tornado.
Mom, maybe. Hey, Daddy. I'm not called my own. I'm a home coming. I only called my own. I'm a tornado coming. Daddy.
What?
Maybe a thing coming.
Okay, we're almost there.
Maybe a thing coming now. Maybe a thing coming. Way, Daddy.
Wow. Let's look in here. Let's look and see.
More cakes than this one. Ooh. I have poo-poo. Maybe Dima. That's all, Daddy. Got what? Stop, Daddy.
Yep,
Away.
that's the way.
Top.
Keep going.
I got to be top, Daddy.
Ooh. It's like a 20-degree temperature loss in this crack.
Yeah. I call that
That's
wall
some
now.
old people. 1975.
I am a dog.
And people carved all over the rocks. Okay, keep going, Grace. Got some dates in here from the
I
1800s.
go home, Daddy. I go home. home, Daddy. I go home. Oh, I wait. Hey, Daddy. I definitely not getting. I definitely not getting rain on my car because I need to hold a baby car. Because I think I'm always going to rain on my car. Because I've been saying, what that noise, Daddy? It's a tornado.
Here's one from 1882. 18th of July, 1882.
Yep, Daddy. Go Holy Coco, Daddy. Because that. I get back, Daddy. I get back.
Keep going.
Yeah, Paul, I told him to get me. I think I told him not to get me. It's hard enough. I got away.
Yep, that's the way. Got some big rocks down here.
That away.
Let's just peek around the corner and see what's down here.
Yeah, that whole lot.
Oh, we just got another big old rock here. All kinds of names and stuff carved on. Here's one from 1890.
I'll go back, Daddy.
1953, 1886.
I'll go back, Daddy. Oh, got that.
Yep, let's go up here. Check this out.
Ooh, a Momo cave, Daddy.
We just came out of there.
Oh. I get out. Get out of it, cake. Who got that cake, Daddy? Who got that cake? Now we're going to get that.
Yeah.
Got the big holy cake. That deep,
There's
Daddy.
one from 1887,
That holy deep, Daddy.
1910.
That holy
There's,
deep.
there's literally hundreds and hundreds of these things carved people's names all over the rock wall.
Whoa,
Little
Dad.
crack. Big old tree growing up through the rock.
I know, I go that way. Oh, got that door, Daddy.
Yeah, we're not going to go down in there today.
Why? Maybe a mama. Maybe I think I got to come back at the cake. A mama because it's not raining and mama. I think I got to come back at the cake because it's not raining and mama. Get my baking up because it's raining. I got to. A big one, Daddy. A big one, Daddy.
Yeah.
A big. I think I saw a feet down this way. Go holy toe, Daddy. Go holy toe. I might be safe now. I might be. I'm almost done, Daddy. I'm almost done. Hey, Daddy. Every time it rains at home.
Yeah.
You're not. Hey, you. Are you listening to me? Are you listening to me?
Come on, let's keep going so we can get back to the car. Well, it officially just started a downpour. We're going to get a little bit wet here. Hey, little buddy. The box turtle crossing the road.